Got some denim cloth for my char. Here we go. My little vent. And then I stick it sideways on this bit. There we go. I let it cook for about, I don't know, half hour or something. In my tin. And we got some nice char cloth here. Happy 4th of July. Wearing my 4th of July hat. Shout out to Salvage Barbecue in Portland, Maine. So I got my char cloth here. Made a little half-ass bird nest out of palm fibers and whatnot. Take my flint. And then I got my char cloth. Now you kind of fence it up like that against your edge that you're going to use on your flint. And I got my sparrow, courtesy of Sparrow Bushcraft. And then let's see how it goes. Oh, I got it. Oh, baby. I'm going to throw it in the middle of my nest of fibers here. And I'm going to see if I can record while I'm doing this. Wow. Haha! Yeah, baby! Alright, I gotta get rid of this. Happy 4th of July.